Motor Misfit.
Not sure if you guys seen the other day, but driving over here, playing around with the blow-off valve, and all you hear is pew, or something like that. And yeah, my AC broke. So in the forums, I was looking around before I take it to the dealer, and everybody keeps talking about an evaporator core, this and that, and I'm like, oh, man, because I know I'm almost done with my warranty, so I'm just dreading it. I'm like, man, I might have missed it by a few days. So I don't know, we're taking it today to the dealer. Let's see what they say. I also want to go check out a Mustang V8, and I'm sorry for all my fellow Ecoboosters out there, but I kind of want a V8, just like every other Ecoboost guy out there. So I don't know, I'm gonna go check it out. They have it at a good price. It's a 50th anniversary one. I don't know, but I know it has like a shaker audio system. It's a 5.0 obviously, and it's kind of like burgundy red. I think that crimson in color, which I actually like. So we're gonna go check that out and see what happens there. Other than that, you're coming with me. Boom. Yeah, a little update. I'm here at Meineke. Hopefully, oh no, I think I'm in the way. Hopefully you guys can see that, Tint World or whatever. And so here's what happened. I went to Ford. I told them what was going on. I tried to see if they can cover it. Unfortunately, they said no. My warranty expired on June 28th. It's like July 5th right now. And yeah, that sucks. So before I went ballistic because they wouldn't honor it for 6-7 days, I asked for help, you know, a little bit of psychology. And the guy was really cool. I will tell you that. The guy was really cool. He told me what to do and then come back and get the extended warranty, and that's what I'm doing. He went and he talked to his boss. Damn, I think I got stung by a mosquito here, so sorry if you guys see me scratching. So he went and he talked to his boss. He basically, they told me what to do, what would be the best thing to do, and that's where we're at right now. So I know a lot of you guys are probably like, why are you taking your car to Meineke? Yeah, I know, I feel the same way. And I tried to take it to a local shop, but they couldn't see my car until like Monday, and it's hot as hell. So I'm not waiting until Monday without getting it fixed. This fix is supposed to actually get it back in there. They're just putting Freon in the car. That's it, and it should last for a few weeks. So yeah, we're gonna get that done, then I'm gonna go take it back, get the extended warranty, and if it is the evaporator core like Ford thinks it is, then they'll get it done under the extended warranty. I really can't believe that I missed this thing by like 7 days or 6 days, whatever it is. I'm really pissed off at that. And you know what, I'm actually pissed off at Ford that they wouldn't really honor it. I mean, the next day you're like cut off. Are you serious? But they said that if I was over by 100 or so miles, then that's fine. Bullshit. I know that if the time was still there but I was over by mileage, they would still say the same thing, maybe backwards. Oh, if it was just a time by a few days, then we'll do it. But yeah, that's basically what it is. So I don't know, we'll see. They said the AC guy here shouldn't take too long, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll do it there. So let's see what happens. Now I gotta waste 45 minutes or an hour here where there's nothing to do. So yeah, I'm pissed off. I just don't understand how a business or a car dealership can be open at 7 a.m. but they're waiting for their master mechanic to get in, and it's 10:20. What the hell is that? How the hell is your master mechanic not here? Maybe not 7, but shit, 8, 9 o'clock? That's fucking crazy. Sorry for all the swears here, guys, but I'm trying to go with my family on vacation today. Told my wife this was gonna be quick. Shit, I thought that by 10 o'clock I would be home and all good, right? Done and everything. It's 10:20 right now. I've been here since 8 o'clock. It's 10:20, and this a-hole is still not even here. On top of that, once he actually gets in and starts working on the car, it's gonna be another hour. So who knows when he's gonna get in? He said, oh, he might be at the bank. What the? The bank opens like at 9 or at 8, I don't know. But I know it's not 10 o'clock when the bank opens. Yo, I am so heated right now. Just because it's just been a waste of time. Like, yeah, I wanted to get it done today before we left so that I don't have to drive without any AC to my 9 to 5 to work on Monday. But you know what? Forget this crap. I'm not gonna sit here until 1 o'clock in the afternoon when this a-hole wants to. I don't even know why I'm not swearing anymore since I already dropped so many swears. But I'm not gonna wait here until like 1 or 2 o'clock when this guy decides to come to work, maybe take a lunch break and then finish my car. Get the hell out of here, man. I am so pissed right now, guys, if you can't tell. But I'm freaking sweating because I can't have the windows down while I'm talking to you. And I've been waiting here for almost 2 hours and this guy is still not here yet. I don't freaking get that. Like, I don't fucking get that. These guys are gonna get the worst review from me ever, I'm telling you. Like, this is crazy. Oh, and the guy at the front, he's like, oh, I can't really tell him anything because, you know, he stays late. I'm like, so? Yeah, you can tell him something. There's hours that people come in. Like, what the hell? Shit, man. And anyway, they're open till 7, so what am I even saying? Because he stays until you guys close, you can't tell him anything about coming in late? Are you serious? Get the hell out of here, man. Yo, I am so serious. I am so, like, over this. This is the last time that I'm taking it to this place. Sorry for the rant, guys. I am just pissed off, and so I don't hit somebody, I need to just let my frustration out to you guys, okay? Because I was really, like, wanting to hit somebody. I'm a chill guy, I'm an easygoing guy, but there's certain things that trigger me, and once I get triggered, oh, all hell breaks loose. I'm not a hothead, but if I get triggered, I become one, right? Not everything triggers me, but stuff like this is definitely, like, it's definitely something that triggers me. So now I gotta get home with my wife, let her know that I just wasted 2 hours and I still didn't get this fixed, hear her mouth, plus, that's not even the worst of it, because that's like whatever. But all these 2 hours I could have been setting up so that we could leave. We're going to like Naples or something like that. Yeah, we're going to Naples, and we could have been left by now instead of me being here for 2 hours. Yo, this is like the freaking worst experience. And then the guy's like, oh, well, keep the belt here just in case you decide to come back either later on today or in the weekend. I was like, you know what? I wasn't even gonna tell him that. I was like, gonna be like, all right, cool. You keep it. Let me know how that works out. I am not taking my car to them again. Yo, this is the second time. And this guy's cool. I'll give you that. The guy at the front desk is actually pretty cool. But I think the GoPro is like shaking like crazy. So I don't even know if this is all coming out good. Hopefully it is. And hopefully you guys can hear me over the exhaust. But whatever. I'm just so pissed. Well, you know, the guy's cool. But come on, man. There's only a certain amount of coolness that can get you like to still be in that freaking category, and right now you are not. So don't come at me with your little sarcastic playing around mood. No, man, I'm pissed off that I just wasted 2 hours. And it's hot. I'm pissed off that I wasted 2 hours and it's still hot in my car. This is crazy. That looks like a nice GT. No, V6. I know, I'm such a hypocrite, huh? Such a hypocrite. Riding around in an Ecoboost and scoffing at whatever you call it. Hating on V6 Mustang owners. Oh, it's not, I'm not hating on it. Because I want a V8 so bad, whenever I see like another Ecoboost or another 8-cylinder, I automatically think that it's not like an enthusiast, you know, because alright, there are a lot of us, at least in the Ecoboost world, that are enthusiasts, but there's a lot that are not, and there's a lot of V6 owners that are not. Most of the time, if I meet a V8 owner or a GT owner, they are somewhat, if they're not a full enthusiast, they are somewhat an enthusiast, right? And that's kind of why I scoffed, because I looked over, the car did look pretty nice. It was like 2011 to 2014. It looked pretty nice, but it was all stock. It was just all blacked out. But then when I look at it, it's like an older lady. And not saying that she couldn't be an enthusiast, but then when I see the older lady, V6 on the back, the little horse on the back, with the line in the middle, and not the GT, yeah, I was like, she's probably not an enthusiast. And I could be wrong, but probably not. Anyway, I'm back home. Yes, it was that close. Thank you for listening to my rant. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess on Friday, on Monday or whatever, I have to drop it off somewhere, maybe near my job, so that they can get that done. Good thing is I didn't have to pay anything right now, and I really thought he was gonna have me at least pay for the AC check. I don't know. That's why I kind of didn't blow up too much, because I really didn't want to pay the $70 to do the AC check. But it's their fault either way, because I wanted to do the work. I've been waiting to do the work. I just can't wait the freaking whenever your boy decides that he wants to get in. Either way, thank you guys for listening. Till another one. I guess the Misfit Chronicles over here. But signing out. Peace.